Do you see that your old picture that you think that have already damaged? No, you can restore it back to life. So in this video, I'm going to show you steps on how you can able to restore your old picture back to life, even though the picture is damaged. As far as your face is still on it, you can still restore it back to life. So follow me and wait to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the steps you are going to take to restore your old picture back to life. So let's go. What you are going to do is to do what? Go to your Chrome or any browse app you want. When you go there, type Google Studio AI. When you type Google Studio AI, it will bring you to this interface, and what you're going to do is to sign up with your Google and start. When you read you to this place, what else you're going to do is to do what? No drawing, no wasting of time. What you're going to do is to what? Add your prompt. When you add your prompt, then you click on that plus sign beside, you upload your picture, that your old picture, upload it. It will take you direct to your gallery. Then you choose that old picture that you want to retrieve or restore. Then after that, you click on that yellow icon beside it. After uploading it, click on that yellow icon that you are seeing there. When you click on it, just in few seconds, and make sure your prompt is what? Neat and sound. Don't give AI what what it can't handle. Just give him a prompt and tell it what you want it to do for you in that word picture. After writing your prompt, you click on that word yellow icon beside there. When you click on that prompt, just wait for some minutes or few minutes. Your picture will be ready. And this is my prompt. If you want me to paste the prompt on the comment section, just what you're going to do is to do what? Drop or write what? Prompt, and I'll paste the prompt there for you. So after this, you will see your picture. It will be very neat and sound. Even the picture has lines on it, or as far as that your face is still showing on that picture, I bet you this AI can restore it back to life for you. So in this last of this video, I'm going to show you the first one and the new generated one. So you are going to tell me the difference between the. You notice that the new generated one is very neat and very nice. So resting, thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you. You can easily download the picture by clicking the icon there, and it will be direct. So tell me the difference. Bye.